What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We hang out here, we talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes I unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, make sure the notification bell is on, and subscribe to my channel if you feel like you might like what you see here. Today we're doing a mask review, and the mask of the day will be the Elemis Superberry Boost Mask. So I purchased this in a BoxyCharm pop-up, not for October. It was an add-on, I think in September or August. And I've only ever tried it once, so I wanted to sit down right now and I wanted to film my review and sort of see what I thought of it and if I think it's worth it. Elemis makes some of my favorite products, so I am hoping that I remember I liked this when I first got it and I didn't have any real complaints. So it's their purifying prebiotic purple mask that is part of their advanced skincare line. I'm gonna apply it and then I'll read back. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. My eyes are very irritated right now. Right. Using my handy dandy Luxie foundation brush, I'm going to apply this. It has a strange consistency. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure it's because it's supposed to exfoliate. I'll wait until I'm done applying and I'll read the back. I love this brush for applying masks. I know it's not the right kind, but that's okay. It's easy to work with and I don't get my hands all messed up. It feels nice. It feels a little bit tingly. Oh, there goes one of those cats. The first thing that I would say I don't like, though, is the texture of it, for sure. As I'm using it, I'm like, that's why I didn't love this the first time. I didn't hate it. Just something I'm not used to, which is another reason why I chose this mask tonight, because I wanted to try something that I have in my collection that I haven't necessarily been reaching for. And we're going to do it together. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this mask or other masks from this brand or other products from this brand. I absolutely love their Rose Collagen Super Facial Oil. I have one that is about 3/4 of the way done and I already have a replacement for it. It's almost a daily product for me. I go through phases where I use that all the time. And I think in a BoxyCharm pop-up, I saw the Superfood Facial Oil in a little kit, so I got that as well. Like I said, Elemis, they make amazing products, so I'm sure this mask is wonderful. I'm just having a texture issue. It's because it's an exfoliant, I'm pretty sure. Like I've already said. Awesome. Now for the reading part. Help balance the skin with this purifying Superberry mask formulated with Nordic bilberry, blackcurrant, and grape seed extract. Indulge in powerful antioxidants to leave the skin looking clear and bright. Oatmeal particles help to gently exfoliate the skin, while Brazilian purple clay absorbs excess surface oils and impurities for a fresh looking clear and healthy complexion. I knew there was a reason it had that texture. So directions say, apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur with while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly and may stain fabric. So that's why you want to use a dark cloth. Now, it does have that slight tingling feeling right now, but nothing overwhelming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off camera. I'm going to let this dry for 10 minutes and then I will be back and we will rinse it off together. See you soon. All right, and we are back. It has been 10 minutes. So I did notice it didn't dry very evenly. I'm sure I could leave it on a little longer, but I am ready to take it off. I can't find my dark colored cloth, so we're gonna use this one. I'm just gonna remove it gently. I have warm water with me. It's removing well. And it dried down very easily. No real complaints there. Cats are fighting again. All right. And that is that. Overall, I did enjoy this a lot more than I think I did the first time. My face feels nice and soft right now, so I have no real complaints. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this mask before. I think I'm gonna keep using this. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love doing mask videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.